In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your recordings in Zoom. Whether you're a student trying to review a lecture or a professional needing to replay a meeting, knowing how to locate your Zoom recordings can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to zoom.com. Once there, you'll need to log in to your account with your email and password. It's always a good idea to ensure your login credentials are kept secure, so maybe use a password manager to make this process seamless. Now that you've logged in, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon, which usually displays your initials or photo. Go ahead and click on this icon. What you'll notice is that a drop-down menu appears, offering you various options related to your account. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to click on the option labelled Settings. This will take you into the heart of your Zoom account, where all your customization and configuration options live. It's like the command center for your Zoom experience, packed with features you can tailor to fit your needs. Once you've entered your settings page, you'll see a new array of options on the left-hand sidebar. Among these options, look for the section labelled Recordings. Clicking on Recordings is your gateway to accessing both local and cloud-stored Zoom recordings. If you're someone who regularly saves recordings, this section will become your best friend. Now, as you enter the Recordings section, you will see options for cloud recordings, and if you've recorded locally, those might appear as local recordings on your computer stored in the Zoom folder. For now, we'll focus on cloud recordings. Here is where all of your meetings that have been recorded to the cloud are stored. You'll be able to see details such as the meeting topic, date, and the duration of each recording. If you have a long list of recordings, you can use the search bar at the top to find a specific meeting by typing in keywords related to that session. This feature makes it incredibly efficient to pull up recordings without having to scroll endlessly. Once you've found the recording you need, clicking on it will reveal options for viewing or downloading, allowing you to access and share the meeting as necessary. Whether you're catching up on missed points or sharing with a colleague, Zoom makes it straightforward to manage your recordings. And there you have it, a simple guide to accessing your Zoom recordings. With just a few clicks, you can have all your important meetings and sessions at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.